This is a video showing that my site meets all the specifications for the final. First of all, the site is responsive to all three views. This is the desktop view, this is the tablet view, and this is the mobile view. The mobile view has a menu that, when clicked on or tapped on, the menu will pop out and will go back in. And when you come back, it'll go back to its normal view. So first of all, I made sure that the menu here was easy to navigate. The active one shows white, and the hovered also shows white, so they know which ones they're looking at. And that works as well for the mobile view when it's shrunk. The home page has a call to action for the Cycle the Continental Divide event, and it has information for the rest of the pages. I also have a link to the Contact Us page. I have that on all of the pages, so it's just more clear. On the Adventure Tours page, I have the two tours that the company offers with the tour information, like the cost and skill required, and where it starts. The location is at the Mountain Spoke, which the directions can be found at the Contact Us page, which I link to here. For the events, I have the Cycle the Continental Divide event with all the requirements, the prices, and a register form, which has the name, phone number, date of birth, email. I made sure it had all the countries and, if necessary, the home states, as well as a text area. The sales page has all the three bikes, and then jQuery accordion animation. All of this information here is being pulled from a JSON object, including the names. And for the services page, I have it all in a table. The Contact Us page has the embedded Google map, as well as the other information, and a contact form. If they fill in the information here, it'll take them to this "Thanks for your input" page, and then they can go back and navigate wherever else they need to be. The resources page has the external resources with a couple links that I use to find information for the page and that the customer might find helpful. I made sure to make this logo for the page. I found this font for the page on Google and made sure it all looked nice. Park Principles. It's all on GitHub, and it has its own directory. And then finally, I made sure to look through all the pages and fix all of the errors from the validation of the CSS and HTML, and I made sure that none of the pages went over the 400K limit for the page weight. And once this video is over with, it'll go down here in this footer tab. And that should be everything. I made sure that everything had all the files had the normalization CSS file, and that all of the spelling and grammar and everything was fixed in all the pages. And that is everything for this site. These are all the specifications that my site meets for the final.